What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today's video has been sponsored by Shine Armor. It's got cutting-edge technology, it's easy to apply, and it's got long-lasting durability. So inside here, you've got the bottle. This is an 8-ounce spray bottle. You can see there the Graphene ceramic spray. Boom, boom. So let's go ahead. Let's read this here real quick. Shine Armor Graphene ceramic spray is a highly concentrated, simple to use DIY ceramic coating that is ready to go out of the box. It is perfect on its own or as an added layer of protection for your current ceramic coating. This graphene ceramic spray has extremely powerful hydrophobic properties that deeply enhances your shine with an easy spray and wipe process that you've come to expect from Shine Armor. So, features: helps defend water spotting, works to protect against bugs, saps, droppings, etc. Less prone to scratches during the washing process, more depth and clarity on surfaces, easy to apply. And the instructions: spray Shine Armor's spray onto the microfiber towel, wipe the product into the paint, allowing the surface to be fully covered, allow the product to sit for 1 to 2 minutes, buff to a high shine with the microfiber towel, and allow 4 hours to cure before exposure to elements. So in this package, we've got an 8-ounce of spray. We've got the spray head here. We just connect this in, and then all we'll have to do is put this in the bottle, and we are ready to go to work. So let's give it a try. All right, so we've got this spot here clean. It's dry. The other side is dirty. We're gonna use that as our control. We're gonna go ahead, crack this bottle open, insert the spray top. All right, and we're ready to go. You can see here on the side of the bottle, we've got the on and off. So that is off, this is on. So as the instruction said, we're gonna just spray and wipe. Wow, you can already kind of see the shine coming in right here, and it's feeling kind of smooth. All right, so after you've wiped the product in, you let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you let it cure for 4 hours. So after the curing process is complete, you can see how nice and shiny that is. Okay, so here we go. So you can see the left side is beating up nicely, and the right side, not so nice. So you can see this product actually does do what it says it's gonna do. So you can apply this product to the entire car so that you can protect your vehicle, have that nice, beautiful shine. It'll wash off all of the, especially out here, the pollen, it'll wash it off nicer. And as you can see there, that product has beaded pretty nicely, whereas this side, you can see the difference there, visually see the difference. And also to mention, the nice thing about this product is it wipes off with no residue. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so that you can get your bottle of Shine Armor ceramic spray, get your cars looking fresh, looking good. The product actually works. I am actually very pleased with the results of this product. It's your boy BT. I'll catch you guys on the next one.